a demon.
Tails, dragons shed a lot.
Oh, I know a demon when I see one. I knew it! More demons!
That's really just a nitwit.
Behold!
Along with his sister, who insisted on coming.
That's my ex.
Fish legs again with the baby? This is a kid. I had him right where I wanted him.
And now he's right where I wanted him.
Easy, girl. It's okay.
Cage open!
It slides.
Obviously.
No running on the deck! It's slippery. You could fall.
They always start that way.
Amateurs! It's just getting started. Good hustle, boys.
Oh. Hey, guys. So settle in and let your worries melt away as colorful as you get. Any run-of-the-mill paradise, we, my friend, have dragons.
Aren't you a beauty?
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Fire.
Ugh, just stop.
So, Hiccup's mom.
It has been a year.
First name basis.
I think the real...
Could train a lot harder, for one. That was pretty sloppy.
One another.
See, that's exactly what I was saying. Just listen up, guys.
friend.
What good is having the King of Dragons around if he... And where do you suppose we... Bad omen. We're cursed.
Nonsense.
Trouble.
No, you don't get it.
Those trappers are getting closer.
Awesome. Robert, relax. We did it.
Ah! Sanitary.
Robert, you're not
Supposed to be the generation that leads us into the future. Ah! God help us. Saddles, I get married.
The M word.
You're the only one with any sense around here. With you wearing the pants, there's...
Is a definitive no. Look, if you need a beard to cry on.
Aerith, son of Aerith!
Hey, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
Sorry. Remo, my old friend. Thank you for coming.
You can thank the young chief of Burke for that.
Stoic smile. That does sound like a nuisance. But I'm in the business of place. Why bother me?
Because the flock is protected. It seems one slipped through your fingers.
Look, we even have your favorite bait. So, do we have a deal? Will bring me the Night Fury. They don't have a...
This is Burke, son, for them. It's my job as chief to protect us, important son. Because out there, beyond the sunset, to sail too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world. And dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world.
Night Furies?
Especially Night Furies. So that people and dragons will fight no more.
What? On my leg? Yeah, go get it. Getting pretty good at gliding on your own, bud.
You're ready for that.
No, that's crazy.
I mean, dragons we bring back here, the bigger of a target we become.
Dad used to talk about an old mariner's myth.
Tales.
True. But what if it's real? It could of us.
Seriously. And abandon our home of self-solution, Hiccup.
But hey, if you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure
It looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, you always win!
You knew what you were getting into.
Bud.